And I honestly forgot.
Forgetting how to tie a tie. But
Allie's best friend.
I love that.
We all believe it.
yeah.
Stop.
They've been together as good.
I don't remember slapping him at all. No recollection.
Freaking out a little bit.
I love you. Caleb, feels like only yesterday that we were
Who is strong in his faith. He's also very understanding.
the connection we had with each other. It was just